Welcome to News Update from Ho Tech University. I'm Sabina Manokiso. As preparations intensify for the 7th Vice-Chancellor's Distinguished Lecture Series at Ho Tech University, a lecturer at the HTU Business School, Dr. Stanley Glate, is calling for the greater public engagement and discussions on the role of artificial intelligence in education. Speaking ahead of the event, Dr. Glate emphasized the need for meaningful dialogue on how artificial intelligence can be integrated into teaching and learning while safeguarding educational quality, critical thinking, and genuine knowledge acquisition.
Issues we are confronted with as a university, and for that matter, faculty, is the era of AI. How we can harmonize the use of AI in advancing knowledge and not compromising on the quality of education and skill and knowledge acquisition of our students. And I think that the theme for these very years Vice Chancellor's Distinguished Lecture Series is apt, is in place, and is timely.
Dr. Glate therefore encouraged students, academics, policymakers, and the general public to participate in the upcoming lecture series, describing it as an important platform for examining both the opportunities and challenges that artificial intelligence presents to the future of education.
Everyone is invited to come on board. Let's make this year's 7th Vice Chancellor's Distinguished Lecture Series a memorable one.
This has been News Update from Ho Tech University, the hub of technological and practical education in Africa. I'm Sabina Manokiso.